All right, we're still in our introduction to statistics, and now we'll talk about the term median. If you have a group of numbers and you arrange them from smallest to largest, the median will be the number exactly in the middle. And that's the definition of median. It's the number in the middle when the numbers are arranged in order of size. So in this example, we're told find the median of the numbers 27, 4, 8, 55, and 19. So we just need to arrange these numbers in order, and 4 is the lowest, and then 8, and then 19 is next, and then 27, and then 55, and that's all of them. And you can see there's 5 numbers, and the one right in the middle, 19, is the median. In this example, we're told, explain the meaning of this statement. In December of 2007, the median home price in America was $239,100. Okay, the median home price was that. Okay, what does that mean? Well, there are a lot of houses in America that were bought or sold in the year 2007, and if you were to arrange all of those by order of price, the one right in the middle would have a price of $239,100. So another way to say that is to say that exactly half of them would be priced below that amount and half of them would be priced above that amount. And so that's what we'll write for our answer. So if you're taking notes on the printed page, you can fill this in. In 2007, half of the homes were below this price, were below $239,100, and half were above. So I'll write and half were priced above that number. That's what it means for that number to be the median. That's the price right in the middle out of all of them. All right, here's another example. Find the median. And we're given a list of numbers, so let's arrange them in order. The smallest number here is going to be -3, so I'll list that first. And then the next smallest number is 2, and I'm underlining them up here. That helps me keep track of which ones I already have in my list down here. And then 7 is the next smallest, and then it looks like 11 is next, and then 14, and then 19, and then 21. So there's 7 numbers there, and the middle one is number 11. So 11 is the median. Half the numbers are below that, and half the numbers are above. Now here's an example that's a little bit different. We're told to find the median of these numbers. So let's approach this the ordinary way. We'll start with the lowest number, and we'll just list them. There's 4, and then 7, and then 8, and then 12, and then 18, and 25. Well, right in the middle, there's not a number in the middle. If we try to choose 12 for the middle number, we have 3 that are less than 12 and 2 that are greater than 12. So 12 is not right in the middle. But the same dilemma happens if we choose 8. We have a different number of numbers on each side. So what do we use for the middle number? If you don't have a middle number, then you take the 2 numbers that are in the middle. In this case, it'll be 8 and 12, and you average them. 8 and 12, you can think of those 2 numbers as being in the middle. There are 2 numbers smaller and 2 numbers greater. So I'm going to average the 2 middle numbers. And averaging 2 numbers is pretty easy. I just add them up and divide by 2. So this is 8 plus 12 over 2. And you can do that in your head. 8 plus 12 is 20, divided by 2 is 10. So the median, in this case, of all of these numbers, the median is 10. And one more example. We're told to find the median. So let's find the smallest number, that's -8, and let's just list them all in order. After -8, the next smallest number is -4, and then 2, and then 10, and then 17, and 30. And again, we have an even number of numbers. There's no single number right in the middle. So we take the two numbers that are in the middle and we average them. 2 plus 10 divided by 2. Well, 2 plus 10 is 12, so that's 12 over 2, and that equals 6. So 6 is the median of all of those numbers. And last of all, in our little introduction to statistics, we'll talk about the term mode. The mode is the number that appears the most often in a group of numbers. For example, in this group of numbers, we see 6, 8, 11, 8, 14, 6, 8, 8, and 2. The number 8 appears here 4 times, and no other number appears that many times. The number 6 appears twice, but 8 appears most of all. So the mode is 8. That's all the mode is. It's the number that appears most often in a group of numbers. Now this concept, the mode, can apply to things that aren't numbers. So in this example, we're told the following animals visited the vet yesterday: a dog, a cat, a dog, a cat, a cat, a dog, a horse, a dog, a dog, a cat, a dog, a ferret, a dog, and a penguin. So which animal is the mode? Well, the mode is the one that appears the most often. And you can probably tell just at a glance here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dogs. And then for cats, let's see, we just have 1, 2, 3, 4 cats. Oh wait, there's another dog. We have 8 dogs and 4 cats and 1 horse and 1 ferret and 1 penguin. So clearly the dog the dog was the type of animal that came to the vet most that day, so the dog is the mode. Now, you don't often hear a vet using this term, but he would certainly use this concept. He would want to know what type of animal he's going to be treating the most and would be prepared for that accordingly. The mathematician would use this term, the mode, to refer to this concept. Out of a list of things, the number that appears the most is the mode, or the thing that appears the most number of times is the mode.